I want a job.
Let's do this.
Give me a job. I
Yeah,
can manage any job.
you can do it.
Okay, okay, I'll give you a job. First, you tap the stick with the chicken. Tap the
What?
water. Okay, until the princess comes. Okay, and then okay, you let the princess bite that, and then you be safe. Okay, that's what you do.
Yeah.
Okay, next is we walk around, we find a cage. Okay, this is where they are being housed. Okay, and then we run
What?
very fast. You should run very fast. Okay, all right. Okay, this the other thing you would do. You will open this cage with a big fish. Okay, okay, and then let the crocodile chase you. Come on, come on,
What
come
the
on,
fuck?
chase, so that you